ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। On page number 409, Purva Paksha had raised three questions, three vikalpas. Shruti Tatparyam, whether it is in Chaitanya Matra, Dvitiya Bhava Vishishta Chaitanya, or Dvitiya Bhava Upalakshita Chaitanya. Siddhanti said Shruti's Tatparyam is in Swarupa Chaitanya Mahatatparyam, and Avantara Tatparyam is in what?
Jagat Mithya.
Dvitiya Bhava. Swarupa Chaitanya is Mahatatparyam. Now, Purva Paksha has objection to Dvitiya Bhava not having Mahatatparyam. So he wants to prove that Dvitiya Abhava is also Mahatatparyam. If Advaita has Mahatatparyam and Dvitiya Abhava also has Mahatatparyam, then all the defects that he showed earlier in Vedanta, he can prove. So now his attempt is to show in Dvitiya Abhava there is Mahatatparyam. So he gave three vikalpas. This is what we saw last time on 411. Nanu Dvitiya Bhave Mahatatparya Abhava. Dvitiya Bhave Mahatatparya Abhava, who will say?
Siddhanta.
Siddhanti will say. Dvitiya Mahatatparya Abhava. So he will say, Purva Pakshi says, is it because of Kim Pramanantara Praptya Yatha Vayu Kshepishthatvadau. Vayurvai Kshepishtha Devata. Like that, one. Uta tad virodhitvena. Let us analyze each. Vayu Kshepishtha Devata. So, Vayu Kshepishtha Devata, this is the mantra that is given in the Veda, and this comes in Taittiriya Samhita. This is Arthavada Vakya. Arthavada Vakya will never be part of Mahatatparya anywhere. So this mantra says Vayu is Kshipragami, and that Vayu is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. Therefore, this first vikalpa, if you see what he says, Kim Pramanantar Praptya Yatha Vayu Kshepishthatvadau. Vayu is Pramanantar Prapta. Dvitiya Bhava is not Pramanantar Prapta. Pramanantar means Shruti Pramanantar. Other than Shruti Pramana, Dvitiya bhava is not prapta by any pramana. What is prapta by other pramana is Dvitiya bhava. Pratyaksha pramana will prove Dvaitam, not Dvitiya bhava. So he says Dvitiya bhave mahatatparya bhava kim pramanantar praptya, and he gives Drishtanta Vayu Kshepishthatvado. Vayu Kshepishthatvam is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. Vayu is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. That it is moving fast, that you can see that Vayu is Kshipragami Devata. So in that Arthavad Vakya, there is no Mahatatparya. But Tatparya, Mahatatparya is in Vayu Devata Uddishta Karma. You do a karma having Vayu as the Devata, and Vayu will give you phala. So the objective is to do stuti of Vayu so that I get inspired to do Tad Devataka karma. So this is first one, he said. Pramanantara prapti. Uta tad virodhena, virodhitvena, yatha atmavapotkhanaadau. Atmavapotkhanaam, we have seen this in Artha Sangraha as well as in Vedanta Paribhasha. So this second one is Tad Virodhi. Tad means
Pramanantara.
Pramanantar Virodhitvena. Yatha, so Prajapatim, Prajapatihi Atma Vapa Dat. This is the mantra. Sa Prajapatihi Atmano Vapam Udakhidat. He took out the fat from his own body. This is also Arthavada. In that there will not be Mahatatparya. So Purvapakshi is giving examples of all such vakyas where there is no Mahatatparyam, and he says, is your Dvitiya Abhava where Mahatatparya Abhava is there? Is it like A or B or C? So Prajapati, he took out the fat from his body and he put it in fire. From that came out a goat. It's a young goat baby. Chag. In Hindi they call chag. And with that chag, Tupara Yaga, this is called Tupara. So Tupara Yaga was done. Take out Yajman himself will die. Yajman has to exist until the whole yaga is over. Then only Yajmana will get the punya. So Purnahuti Yajman has to do. So in this there is no Mahatatparya. So then where is the Tatparya? Tatparya is in that this karma is so mahan that Yajmana is ready to sacrifice himself also. So karma prashastyam, that is where the Mahatatparyam is. Second vikalpa. Third one is Uta Uddeshya Visheshanatvadina Yatha Grahaikatvadau. So this third one is Graham Sammarshti. This is the Vidivakya. I had mentioned this. So there are 10 Graha Patras. Sammarjanam. Sammarshti means you have to clean. How? So when they do Somayaga, Vidwan Somena Yajeta. A wise person, wise means not realized, Shruti, the one who has studied Vedas, etc., he should do yajana with somarasa. And in that Somayaga, it is said, Dasha Pavitrena Graham Sammarshti. Dasha Pavitra is a cloth. That Soma Rasa you have to do, what do they call? Strain. So the cloth is there for straining. Only the Soma Rasa will fall in those 10 cups which are there. They are called Graha. For 10 devatas, that thing has to be filled. Now, when you pour the Somarasa, after straining it through the cloth, some drops will fall near the outside of the cup. So you have to do cleaning. You have to use the same cloth which you have used for the straining, that Dasha Pavitra cloth. So Dasha Pavitrena Graham, the cup, Sammarshti, clean it. So there the question is, should I clean one cup or all 10? Because you have used Ekvachanam, Graham. So there, Purvapaksha, in Jaimini Sutras, there is a Purvapaksha. Ekatva yuktam ekasya shruti sanyogat. Ekatvam. Why? Because in Shruti there is Ekavachana Prayoga. So only one Graha Marjanam, Sammarjanam should be done. Siddhanti's answer, so these sutra numbers are given 6313, 6314. Sarvesham va lakshanatvad avishishtam hi lakshanam. Sarvesham va lakshanatvad avishishtam hi lakshanam. Means they all are same. All are graha. All will have the Dasha Pavitra strained Somarasa. So any one of them can have those, or all of them, they can have the drops around. So they all have to be cleaned. So the Ekvachana Prayoga is keeping in mind the Jati, Graha Jati. So Sammarjanam should be done for all. So in the Vidhivakya, Tatparya is not in the Ekvachanam. Now he gave these 3 examples, Purvapaksha. Three examples he gave. Now he said, Na Adya, not the first one. Not the first one. So first one is Vayukshepistha Devata and Pramanantar Prapti Dvaita Abhava. Is it known through other Pramana? So he says, no. Tvayaiva Dvitiya Bhavasya Pramanantara Prapti Anabhyupagamat. You, Vedanti alone, accepts that Dvitiya Abhava is not known through any other Pramana. As I said, actually Dvitiya, the Dvaitam is known through Pramanantara. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, they all show Dvaitam, not Dvaita Abhava. And Dvitiya means the second Vikalpa. Virodhimanam na tavat pratyakshadi dvaitagrahi. त्वन्मते तस्यैव श्रुति बाध्यत्वात्. The second vikalpa is virodhitvena, pramanantar virodhi. If it is pramanantar virodhi, like atmavapa utkhanana, so for that Purva Pakshi gives the explanation. द्वितीयपि विरोधिमानं न तावत् प्रत्यक्षादि द्वैतग्राही. Let us say Dvaita Abhava is known through Pramanantara. Pramanantara Virodhitvena. So, Anya Pramanas Virodhi. In other words, somehow if you get to know the Dvaita Abhava, Pratyakshadi, they become Badhita by Advaita Shruti. So, Dvaita Grahi Pratyaksha itself is Badhita by Advaita Shruti. Then Dvitiya Abhava Virodhi Pramana. Dvitiya Abhav Virodhi Pramanam itself is Badhita. Dvitiya Abhav Virodhi is Dvitiya in Dvaitam. Dvaita Pramana is Pratyaksham. That Pratyaksham is Badhitam by Advaita Shruti. So, Dvitiyapi Virodhimanam na tavat Pratyakshadi Dvaitagrahi. Pratyakshadi, which is Dvaitagrahi, will not be Virodhi Pramanam. Why? Tvanmate tasyaiva Shruti Badhyatvat. According to you, Advaitin tasyaiva Pratyakshadehe Shruti Badhyatvat. Pratyakshadi Pramana or Shruti Badhya. How will they be capable of producing any Dvaitam anymore? If Siddhanti says there is a Advaita Vakyantaram, so Purvapaksha says na Advaita Vakyantaram. This Vakyantar Shruti means another Shruti from Veda Upanishad is given. It is there in your 412 page number, 5th line from the bottom. That is what he has given as example. Eko drashta advaito bhavati. Even if you don't read Hindi, I don't know how many of you go through the entire Hindi commentary. Those who are comfortable reading, they should. This Swamiji has given very beautiful commentary. But at least wherever the references are given, quotations are there, you should highlight them. Because in the Moolam, all these are not there. The quotation. So only it will be said Vakyantaram. Which Vakya? Either you find your own Vakya or you use the Vakya which is given in the commentaries. So Vakyantara will not be Virodhi Pramanam. Why? Any Vakya if you take from Advaita Shruti, such Vakya whose objective is in Advaita Pratipadana, like Ekameva Dvitiya. If the Tatparyam is in Advaita Pratipadanam, then the three vikalpas that he had created earlier, Ishruti Tatparyam in Chaitanya Matra, और श्रुति तात्पर्यम इन द्वितीय भाव विशिष्ट और द्वितीय भाव उपलक्ष्य. So तात्पर्यम will go directly in Chaitanya Matra. And therefore, it cannot be virodhi of Dvitiya Bhava. Because it is doing bodhanam of Chaitanya Matra. It has no connection with Dvitiya Bhava. You can ask the question, is it doing bodhanam of Dvitiya Bhava or is it doing bodhanam of only Atma? तस्य आत्ममात्र परत्वे द्वितीया भावा विरोधित्वात्. If it is atmamatra para, because it is atmamatra para, it is dvitiya bhava avirodhi. Means it is not talking about dvitiya bhava. It is talking only about chaitanya, atma paratva. It has no sambandha with dvitiya bhava, and therefore it is not dvitiya bhava virodhi or avirodhi. नहीं विशेष्य विषयम अग्निहोत्रम जुहोति इति वाक्यम विशिष्ट विषयेण ददना जुहोति इति वाक्येन विरुध्यते. दिस इज हिज एग्जाम्पल. विशेष्य विषयम वाक्यम अग्निहोत्रम जुहोति. ए साधारण एनी याग इफ यू डू, अग्निहोत्रम इज ए कॉमन इन ऑल. So Agnihotram is Visheshya Vishayam Vakyam. Visheshya means in Vishishta. Visheshya is the Pradhana, is the common thing. So if I say any yaga, means you have to do Agnihotra as part of it. But if I say, or if Veda says Dadhna Juhoti, then that Dadhi Yaga is a Vishishta in Samanya Agnihotra. Agni, it is like saying, to give some worldly example, Bhutale Ghato Asti. Bhutale Rakto Ghato Asti. Nilo Ghato Asti. Pito Ghato Asti. Ghata is there in all. Like that, Agnihotra is there in all. Vishishta Vishaya is Dadna Juhoti. So Vishishta Vishaya Vakyam, Visheshya Vishayam Vakyam will not be Virodhi of Vishishta Vishaya Vakya. Nahi Visheshya Vishayam Vakyam Vishishta Vishayena Vakyena Virudhyate. Agnihotram Juhoti will not have Virodha with Dadna Juhoti. It is just adding some more specific. Like Bhutale Ghato Asti and Bhutale Nilo Ghato Asti, there is no Virodha between these two Vakya. Like that, Chaitanya Paraka Shruti and Dvitiya Abhava Avirodhi Shruti or Dvitiya Abhava Pratipadaka Shruti, they are avirodhi. They don't have virodha with each other. So that is what was said in the previous line about that eko drashta advaito bhavati. So this vakya will not be virodhi if you say this vakya has tatparyam in chaitanya matra. It is not virodhi of dvitiya bhava. Chaitanya matra also can be there and dvitiya bhava also can be there, Purvapakshi is saying. द्वैता भाव परत्वे तु एक विषयत्वेन सुतराम अविरोधात्. If it is द्वैता भाव परत्व and एक विषयत्वेन means that and the Advaita Vakya, if they both have same teaching to give, then there is no virodha. Sutaram avirodha. Absolutely no virodha. What Purvapakshi is trying to do, he says Advaita and Dvaita Abhava both are Mahatatparya. There is no virodha. But Dvaita Bhava is not Advaita. नापि तृतीयः ग्रहं सम्मार्ष्टिः इति अत्र सम्मार्जनस्य इव अखण्डार्थपरे वाक्ये विधेयान्तरस्य अभावेन विशेष्यस्य शास्त्रगम्यस्य चिन्मात्रस्य अप्राप्तत्वेन उद्देश्यत्वायोगाच्च. Let us see this much vakya. Also not the third vikalpa. Napi tritiya. The graham sammarshti. So in that, graha is the uddeshya. Uddeshya atirikta videya is sammarjanam. So graham sammarshti. In the same way, akhandartha bodhaka advitiya vakya. And this is the uddeshya. Then what will be the videya? So there is nothing else remaining other than the advitiya Brahma, Shuddha Brahma. So if there is no videya, then dvitiya abhava will not become visheshana for Shuddha Brahma, which is the uddeshya. Shuddha Brahma, uddeshya and videya, I am assuming you know these two terms. Parvato Vanniman. What is videya here?
Vannimatvam.
Vannimatvam. Uddeshya is Parvata. Parvata Uddeshena Vanni Pratipadana. So in Parvata there is Vanni. Parvata has Vanni. That's the meaning. So Brahma has Dvitiya Abhava. Siddhanti, Purvapakshi says to Siddhanti that you cannot say this way. Because Dvitiya Bhava is not Vidheya. And Dvitiya Bhava cannot become Visheshana. That we already discussed in the earlier discussion. It is not Dvitiya Bhava Vishishta Advaita. Then he says further now. So vidheyantarasya abhavena sammarjanasya iva, that is the drishtanta. Here akhandartha pare vakye, akhandartha bodhaka brahma vakya. In that vidheyantarasya abhavena, there is no other vidheya. So this is uddeshya, but there is no vidheya. उद्देश्य विधेयांतरस्य अभावेन विशेष्यस्य शास्त्रगम्यस्य चिन्मात्रस्य अप्राप्तत्वेन विशेष्यस्य शास्त्रगम्यस्य चिन्मात्रस्य विशेष्य इज ब्रह्म विशेष्यस्य which is शास्त्रगम्य is चिन्मात्र ब्रह्म is चैतन्य मात्रस्य अप्राप्तत्वेन उद्देश्यत्व अयोगाच्च अप्राप्तत्वेन means प्रमाणांतर अप्राप्त. You should write that down because it is शास्त्रगम्य, so शास्त्र प्राप्य but प्रमाणांतर अप्राप्य. प्रमाणांतर अप्राप्तत्वेन उद्देश्यत्व अयोगाच्च because it is not known through any other pramana. Purvapakshi says it cannot become uddeshya. Uddeshya videya, that uddeshya should be known through some pratyakshadi pramana. This is Purvapakshi's idea. So uddeshyatva is not possible in Brahma. Brahma cannot become uddeshya for dvitiya abhava as videya because it is not pramanantar prapta. We can think about this point. If you say Parvato, Vanniman, etc., it is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. If it is known only through Shastra Pramana, then this problem will come, what Purvapakshi is suggesting. So it cannot become Uddeshya. Why? द्वितीया भावस्य उद्देश्य विशेषणत्व अनुपपत्तेः. द्वितीय भाव cannot become विशेषण for उद्देश्य. अविवक्षा हेतोः अनुवाद्यत्वस्य अपि अभावाच्च इति. If something is anuvada, then that is where there is no vivaksha. So in Shruti Vakya also, if some part is already known through Pramanantara, that which is Pramanantara Prapta, in that there is no Tatparyam. That much part is Anuvada because it is Pramanantara Prapta. See how they are dedicated to Vedas. Anything that is Pramanantara Prapta, that much part is not Pramana, that much in that there is no Tatparya. So, where would I know if there is avivaksha? He says avivaksha hetoho anuvadyatvasyaphi. Avivaksha hetu is anuvadyatva. If something is anuvada vakya known already through pratyakshadi pramana, which is anuvachanam, whose anuvachanam is done by Veda, then that is where there is no vivaksha. Purvapakshi says avivaksha hetoho anuvadyatwasya api abhavat. Even that is not there here because there is no anuvadyatvam. Therefore, you cannot have dvitiya abhava as hetu. Dvitiya bhava will not have hetutvam. Why? Dvitiya bhava is also not pramanantara prapta. So you cannot use that as a means. If Dvitiya Bhava is known through Pramanantara, then Advaita Shruti will not be talking about Dvitiya Bhava. If at all Advaita Shruti talks about Dvitiya Bhava, it will be Anuvada. And that is where there is no Vivaksha. But because Dvitiya Bhava is not attained through Pramanantara, therefore Dvitiya Bhava can have Vivaksha. It is known only through Shruti. And therefore Shruti will have Tatparyam in Dvitiya Bhava. It is not Anuvada because it is Pramanantara Aprapya. And therefore Dvitiya Bhava can have Tatparyam. Iti chet. Up to this was Puravaksha. Siddhanti says just one line we will see so that idea is clear. Swayameva swabodhitam api dvitiya bhavam dvitiyatvadeva nishedati. Shrutihi. Shruti says that dvitiya abhava. Nehananasti kinchana, there is no dvitiya. When you say there is no dvitiya, means there is dvitiya abhava. That dvitiya abhava which I have arrived at, Shruti says that is different from Brahma, then that dvitiya abhava is negated. Shruti says there is dvitiya abhava. Then Advaita Shruti negates dvitiya abhava also. Why? Because that dvitiya abhava will become dvitiya with respect to Brahma, so it will be virodha of Advaita Shruti. So swavirodhadeva nishedati. This is Shrutehe tatra tatparyat. Tatra atatparyat. So in Dvitiya Bhava there is no tatparya because that Dvitiya Bhava is also negated later. Is it clear, this Vakya? This is clear? Yes?
Yes, Swamiji.
We'll try to see again. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.